I go replace the outgoing ministers, Kiakia, make the business of governance for no suffer. Presido Buhari. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn im members for the Federal Executive Council bye-bye sake of more than 9 of im ministers don comot hand from their offices to fit make dem run wella to be Naija Presido, Senator and Governor. This ceremony shele today, May 13, 2022 for Abuja, based on Presido talk on Wednesday say make any of im ministers and other political appointees wey wan contest for any position for the 2023 elections comot body from their appointments. Presido Buhari come yarn say him no get doubt say any of him former cabinet members fit be the next Presido. Say like any other aspirant, dem go deliver enough ability and ogbonge service give Naija pipo. He come yarn say he don see say some of dem don comot body while others still dey think am. Say he hate dem wey dem take get the mind take contest for political offices and wey dem take Kiakia hear him orders say make dem resign.
I have no doubt that if the next president emerges from among former members of this cabinet, like any other aspirant, ample competence and outstanding service delivery would be on display. This will be part of our legacies to Nigerians. I note that some have complied while others are in the process of doing so. I would like to use this opportunity to commend your decision and courage to contest for elective offices and your compliance with my directive. I also wish to thank you for your invaluable services to this nation through your contributions as cabinet members. I wish you success in the upcoming elections and in your future endeavors.
Buhari come talk say as the ministers don comot, big hole don dey for am to put sand and you go feel am Kiakia make the business of governance for no suffer.
The departure of some cabinet members has undoubtedly created a vacuum that should be filled, that would be carried without delay, so that the business of governance will not suffer. For members of the cabinet that are remaining on board, I wish to remind you that the journey to the finish line is very far, and this calls for more diligence, resilience, and commitment to serve Nigerians better. Like always, there will be challenges to address, programs to deliver, and policies to implement. You must therefore brace up for more work and target increased accomplishments. Determination to leave important legacies for Nigerians should never be compromised.
Godswill Akpabio wey be the Minister for Niger Delta Affairs come yarn on behalf of other ministers say as dem don comot hand from their offices, dis na their time to show the Buharism wey dey in dem. E come yarn say dem go work with Minister for Information and Culture Lai Mohammed to take Buhari message of transformation, love, patience and administrative wisdom to the Naija people.
Even as we step aside from the Federal Executive Council, I want you to know that you have disciples in us. I want you to know that it is time for us to propagate Buharism. I want you to know that we are going to be working closely with the Honourable Minister of Information to take your message of transformation, to take your message of love, your message of patience, and your message of administrative sagacity to the rest of Nigerians.
The ogbonge ministers wey don resign from their offices wey tanda for this ceremony na Minister for Transportation Rotimi Amechi, Minister for Niger Delta Affairs Godswill Akpabio, Minister for Science, Technology and Innovation Ogbonnaya Onu, Minister for State for Petroleum Presido, Minister for Labour and Employment Chris Ngige, Attorney General Minister for Justice Abubakar Malami, Minister of State, Mines and Steel Development Uche Oga, Minister for Women Affairs Pauline Talen, and Minister of State for Niger Delta Affairs Chief Tayo Alaso Adura. Ebu Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.